I was sent this spray and I'm really excited to use it because it says you just spray your face and it gets rid of some redness, any impurities, and you can use it any time of day. It recommends maybe after you've gone and done a workout or even if you've been in the sun too long. I don't have any makeup on right now, so I thought this is a good time to do a little before and after. So let's get up close. You can kind of see I tend to get some redness around here. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull my hair back out of my face. And let's close my eyes and spray. Okay, it's very refreshing. It has no smell to it, so it is unscented. Gives a nice like mist and hydration to your face. And then let's just see if any of the redness is gone as it starts to really soak into my skin. Has now completely air dried. I'm gonna get up close so we can see if any redness seems to have disappeared in just one use. So again, here was the before and here is the after. I think it's pretty cool. Great thing to just keep in your bag and spray on your face as you need it.